Hello, in front of me I've got HONOR X5c Plus. In this video I'll show you how to fix app crashing. To fix any app crash, we've got multiple ways we can try. In the beginning, let's restart your smartphone. Now make sure to update the app and system settings. You can update apps in the Play Store. Now you can go to App Permissions to check if app has necessary permissions. Then select app that is crashing and clear its cache. If this didn't work, you can also try to free up storage if you've got less than 20% free, because high storage consumption can impact the smartphone processor use. In the end, the only thing you can try is uninstalling and reinstalling the app. If you find the video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.